what is... Okay, this is conjugate. Okay, so we look at the question. Okay, conjugates means that it's all about the denominator 分母 and numerator 分子. Okay, so this one we just time what di bawah, we just time the same thing for this one if no plus minus. Why I need to do this? Because I don't want my denominator is surd. I want to transfer to the number. 为什么我们要这样做？因为我要我的分母是号码，所以我就做这个 conjugate 这个方式就 conjugate，因为它越简的话，它会拿到1。OK， kalau dia if we divided and I get 1, so it don't disturb the original question. So after that, okay, 5 times 5 times 3 times 3. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 3. Okay, 3 is means that 3 times 3 is 3 square. Okay, 3 square. So it's 3 over here. So I get the answer is over 75, and then I divided by 5, divided by 5, I get 15, finish. So make sure is number. Okay, the second one. Okay, conjugate means that we have to multiply the same thing because I want my denominator, this is denominator, I will need my denominator become numbers. So conjugate, make sure this one is positive, it will become negative. It's the same thing, it's the same terms. The terms is the same, but just if this positive, this one will become negative. If this one is negative, and this one will become positive. Okay, and this will become positive. And then we multiply it. Before I enter the question, so I need you to I need you to refresh back your memories. B square minus A square minus B square. A plus B times A minus B. Do you still remember? A square, number square minus number square become A plus B times A minus B. Okay, so let's check. This one we call conjugate surd. Okay, and then the numerator will become the same. Okay, and then the bawah, see, this one is plus, this one is minus, so the bawah will become, okay, the denominator will become 7 surd 2 square minus 5 surd 3 square. And then the other thing, you just write the same thing. Okay, you don't need to show this, but if you want to, can. Okay, if you want. Okay, after that, this one will become what? This one 7 will become 49. Surd 2 square will become 2. And this 5 will become 25. And surd 3 will become 3. Just write like this, not need follow this. Okay, okay, after that, you just copy it, for numerator, and then you will get the answer by using calculator. Just left the answer. Make sure the bawah will become number. The denominator will become number. So the second thing, same thing. Okay, you just copy the same thing for the atas. Okay, and then this one will become 2 surd 3 square minus 5 surd 7 square. Because this one is negative, this one is positive. So A minus B times A plus B become A square minus B square. So same thing, you just copy it for the numerator. Okay, so this one will become 4 and this will become 3 surd. So minus 25 times 7. Then I will get the answer. Okay, so this is conjugate surd. You should remember because only one time you do it. After that, we seldom to solve this kind of question. So you need to finish it. Okay, let's say, look at the question. Rationalize denominator and simplify. So you see the question, we all depends on the denominator. Okay, 1 minus surd 3 will be, then we conjugate surd is 1 plus surd, 1 plus surd. Okay, the same thing, it will become 1 square minus surd 3 square. And then I will get this thing. Okay, atas one, 1 times 1, I get 1. 1 times surd, I get surd 3. And then the other one, every terms times 2 times only, not more than 2 times. Okay, so 1, this one get 1, this one get 3. So 1 plus 3, I get 4. And this is surd 3 plus surd 3, I got 2 surd 3. Okay, surd 3 plus surd 3, I got 2 surd 3. It's not multiplication. Okay, so I will get the answer. And then after that, how I get the answer for here? 2. Take out the 2. Take out the 2. Take out the 2. Okay, and then I get 1. Then the negative, I bring up here, and then I bring up. Okay, bawa ke tengah. OK，带去中间，再带去上面。OK，带去上面了，拿到这样子。OK，才沉下去。要小心啊，一题一题来，慢慢来，不需要快快的。OK, same thing. Look at the question. OK, please get the answer in single fraction. So you have to do both conjugate surd. So this is plus, the conjugate will be minus. Okay, this is minus, the conjugate will be plus plus. So you transfer, you expand it. Okay, this is the same thing. A plus B, A minus B, A minus B, A plus C. So the same thing, they can combine together. So it's the same. This one is the same with this one. So atas boleh tambah sama. Okay, they can, this one, after you time, this one plus this. Numerator, for the first one plus the second numerator. Okay, after that, same, times, I get this one times this one, I get this one times this one, I get 21 surd. Okay, so this 4 times 1, 4 times surd 3, surd 7 times 1, and this one times this one, I get 27. So 21 minus 21, I get negative 2. Negative 1 minus, sorry, negative surd 21 minus surd 21, I get negative 2. So it's similar like minus, I get negative 2x. Okay, it's the same thing. So I check the surd 7. Surd 7 got 2, but plus minus will become 0. And then surd 3, I got 2 here. Negative 5 plus 4, I get negative 1 surd. And then what else? I haven't settled numbers. Surd 3, check already. Numbers. Numbers is 9. So I left my answer here. Finish. Because it's different surd. Okay, this is like X, this is Y. Okay, next is your question. Okay, try to solve the question in your textbook. I give you 20 minutes. Sorry, 10 minutes.